Hey Male, Biakamal Nuer Tube. We have 10 questions about the introduction to network. Gwejan o tinditi dir kaloch, dong mi gurjen o dir ngwander gangach. De kon tinti de kon kaloch kel, you know. Ba tij ba jakwen, and then ba definition da katok English ba jalat. Dong da, and there are explanation method katok na dong and then we are nangtana. And tindi alkon balat bagat lat katuk English got. Question number one: what is computer? This is the question that anybody should answer. What is a computer? What is a computer network? When you say it computer, computer is simply a machine or a device, okay, that store data in form of input and process those input data and produce the outputs. But this is not what we ask here. What is a computer network? A computer network is a system that connects multiple devices, that connect computers, server, routers, etc. to share resources and information. Computer network lade o bangwani baka jakamar ki bekan ruwaini bekan ka jakam niken. Chet kama ku computer kel kana computer adien ku la connect ko bikarwani biken kanywa kel ajen chwalke computer network. It is a system that connects multiple devices to contact to in computer server ke router to togan dial latke ko biken ni biken kanywa ke to share resources and information. Again question ani amono. Question around what are the main type of networks? Main types of networks, example chitke local area networks, tukon ke Y area networks, tukon commercial ke metropolitan area networks ke man. Number one, wireless ke Y area networks. Ken network ni dang jok ten kon lat ka gwasame local area networks. Jen la local area network it cover a small area like home office or school. Jen shual ke lano ni laname local area network ku cover ni gwad matot la peng matot chet ke home chet ke office chet ke dul gorka alo shi network medit. It is a network that covers a small area like home office or school. Network around type of network man diana mishal ke one ludani wide area network. It covers large geographical areas like the internet, okay, ala gwan medit laja nanga ke laja cover. It cover large geographical areas. Other country can chit internet it connect a million of people, okay, key million of devices throughout the world. Namo waje lanuka a lot internet ka jen kwala share ke wide area network. Mo kono ka network do dien cause these are the type of network. Mishal ke man me shale metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network jen a network millet da which larek city. It cover a city or large campus. A network millet ka city ki millet ka campus. Campus ke university ki gwan mudi jen chwal ke metropolitan area network. Again teach and road and money. One ka teach in the audience. What is the difference between the internet and intranet? Difference between the internet and intranet. Internet chikon lan mandan ala dek internet ka ken intranet ka ngu. Ala internet jen ko ne ti chop ke million wi mon ko ka jago bikan mar ke bikan communicate ke it connect million of people ke million of devices. Internet is a global network connecting million of devices worldwide. Ala intranet da dodiana me jen a mutual private network. Millet ko organization karwade ke internal communication la organization mo karwade jen ku communicate karwade. Shwale intra network. A network mila private network millet ko organization kel karwade. Ne de konto gwada mo use can use money shwale intranet. Shawarar te within the organization So intranet is a private network used within an organization for internal communication, while internet is a global network connecting millions of devices worldwide. Question number 4. What are the key components of a network? A network take a component to take a Latin let network take a mutual routers, take a mutual switch, take a cables, take a server bo alana me chaledi chal ke component of network la router molode jena la data la ka jaga kam network na dangro kam computer dangro mi cha connect mi jaka computer mi jaka data na ka computer dien ajen buka jakon it direct data between network ajen lat router a switch it connect devices within network and manage data traffic jen ko data dagro tillet ke jen network ke lamo la ka jako bikan information bikan ka gwal connect devices within a network and manage data traffic ala mission ngwana mission ga dere la long be jen kwachol traffic be data ne begal ti ma lo che ga jak ko chi kan de mal chu begal el kal kale jen chwale switch a switch a component of network mana dian gwasama a cable ke wireless cable ka different component kwa computer lo connect ke wireless ke wi-fi okay the wi-fi la wireless chelet ka dep la da bankare jam it transfer data between devices la da wo be data ba jak ka computer ke device ne jimti ga mobile jaga duwar kama da dian dere jak using either cables ke wireless cable a dep wireless a mental dep lo la dian wo ba data ba transfer jena a component kela no mo kan network a component no man mana dian gwasa me server it store and manage network resources ala server gwada dan ti information ten kwade dial kwala lapten ala langwan la ka to data la ka to no mo ba chole di ba chole no a component du network kwala jele show server is storage it store and manage network resources ala ku manage network na karodian okay jen chwal ke server la gwada dana la computer dana kwal usement ku network le jogo ku communicate ku na ku tena jen chwal server. Question number 5. What is an IP address and why is it important? IP address jen kwa computer internet ngika kamo IP mean internet protocol mene important ga je lonke men te ka lwanka ja ala jana ko unique number call address ko number mit computer kel mit ga number kel okay chapa mat kana number kana computer di lo chin computer dang ro chin de ga number to chat bu yi ga number to go so IP address ga 192.168.1 k.0 okay 192.168.1.1 no mongu IP address no mo man chunge je man gwa ka je wojen it's an IP address. It is an internet protocol address. It is a unique number call label assigned to devices on a network. It helps identify devices and enable communication between them. Jen jagana ko ba computer ngich re network na mo jen chwal ka jemo IP address. A very important long key take a long medit to identify computers on the network. Amardian gwasame. What is the difference between IPv4 and IPv6? IP internet protocol can v6 mo kese ka ngula dag diana. Al IPv4 gen use a mutual 32 bits while IPv6 use a mutual 128 bits. Okay, IPv6 gen use a mutually chere de chola chere ka MAC address lo bara long lanya IPv4. IPv4 gen 32 bits use address check 192.168.11 but IPv6 128 bits mulone 2001 colon db8 we went on a long one chicken chat can manyam na may use a combination of numbers and alphabet but manyam use a number corodian no more gen IPv4 can IPv6 okay IPv4 use 32-bit address format and support about 4.3 billion devices. IPv6 use 128 bits address format and support a much larger number of devices. Question number 7. What is the role of a router in the network? The role of a router. A router directs data between different networks and connect multiple devices to the internet. It ensures data reach the correct destination. Router lade wo be data n be ga jak gwad dana gorga jen wo ko ten. Chenta ma jaka data jaka computer dien. Chaka bo kan bo nanga computer dien. No, it direct them to the destination dana gorga jen wo ko ten. Gwad dana wo ten ajen router nang tenone. So jen kwalaro jen la data ne la ka jaga between networks, between different networks, and connect or redirect data into their direct destination again and lalade and router. Number 8 guasame, what is the difference between wired and wireless? Wired and wireless ngula degdiana. Wire guadame again a cable format. Wireless lurani mitel dem cable. Wired network use physical cables or Ethernet for connectivity, offering higher speed and security. Wired network alaman yot kan depthin wajen la pedal long ke guan reliable engine ke tele la dar la kan mala chu pedal long no na me wajen gwa kungu ka wire a metek dep me be kon ka wireless gwa same wireless network use radio signals like Wi-Fi for connectivity, providing flexibility but with potential speed and security limitation. Again, wache chetke wire network dan use cable and wireless. Wireless then lade wo be datan ba ka jagdu no che security che chetke wire network. Charge de jag ne ko ken connect can rodian connect ji but wireless ne bar da je find somewhere ka da je crack jena dan to okay da je da wore system. Number 9. What is network topology and what are common type? Network topology ngulodemo. Network topology refers to the layout of how devices are connected in a network. Common type include star topology, bus topology, ring topology, mate topology. Star topology kajan network topology me all devices connect to a central hubs. Next time by nung turniken. Bus topology devices share a single communication line. Ring topology devices are connected in circular chain. Mate topology devices are interconnected, providing redundancy. Agenda dan we dan wrongly understand kaja. Question number 10. What are some common network security threat? What are the some common network security threat? Ketin jak network ko baja hakke baja yar ngu man yam mishal malware, temishal phishing, temishal hacking, temishal denial of service, DOS attack. Malware then use a virus, worm, trojan, then a harmful software that can damage system enemy. A threat na mone malware. Raude phishing, a deceptive email or message to steal personal data. Te rambi jag email ko be data no ko be kwal chit kenyin ko. Mi jag email ka shetwan the moment be kwa ko dial be kwal jen. Kel milat threat network security. Meridian hacking, unauthorized access to a network or devices. Rame we rate kat dun banga kana jogo no chaja lao ka bedun ba ha ka be kwa ko jek jen rekel ka network. Hacking problem medit ka security dung network. Men jok denial of service ke shala dos attack. Overloading a network to make it unusable. Dong bramo be computer be jaka tiak lung she won yam ala o chep fet again no mo jaka computer ko betedi be jak ke be network mo be jak ram kel meta guardian mu kuna do ko jele yar ko be ko be ka still ke be ka kwal ken question dang wel ko na chari ala kan titine 10 question about the introduction to network michiro da ke be ka chagwa gorno be nyo kana sa ko ken ban je mu da dian bi atemal bye bye.